Today I'm going to make a quick video of how to get a little bit more clearance on a Jeep Wrangler in case you have some big ass wheels like these 35s. Alright, the tool that I'll be using is an oscillation saw, and as you can see I've made my cuts there. All in here, there are my panels. So now we're going to try to mimic the same design on the other side. Alright, so here it is. Back piece is still on. You can tell it's already rubbing. It's the whole reason we're doing this. So we're going to cut along the trim here, just like so. And we'll probably just go down this way already, since we're going to have to cut this. I'll just take measure, or I'm going to eyeball it. I'm not going to bullshit you. I'm going to eyeball it. So I'll check how the other one is, and I'll try to mimic the same here. And then I'll start cutting everything out. Alright, so I used the last two pieces I cut off to kind of just give me a layout, just like so. So wish me luck. Get a little action of how it's done. I'll go ahead and finish that off. And this is the bottom angle. Now we're gonna go ahead and just kind of just straighten this out all the way to we get to the end right here. So we'll probably just round this off like that. All right, here's where I finished off, and now we're gonna go ahead and just cut this off like this, straight up, then this way. All right, the way I did is cut on top. Then I was able to kind of pull this open. I was cutting from this bottom angle. Free that open. Once you have that open, just go ahead and cut from the inside, right in the middle. There it is. You can't really see it. There's my line. And then we'll just trim it off. All right, there it is. One whole solid piece. There's the corner. And here's the angle I gave it. There it is, straight down. Here's the back piece. Now, what you're gonna do is grab a razor blade and just carefully trim this excess plastic. Get all that excessive plastic off. Might need both hands. Go ahead and do it real quick. All right, there it is, nice and clean. Now if you want, you can hit it with a lighter. Cut melt everything back down. There it is. Let's give it a try. See if it rubs. There it is. Got all the clearance in the world now. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And because these are some big old tires, I actually had to cut the scrape plate a little bit on both sides. Can't really see it, but there it is, trimmed, and now nothing rubs. Sweet. Fuck yeah.
Good? Okay, grab
Perfect.
the Mustang key.